so, to me, one of the things as I've gone down this spiritual path that occurred to me was there's two different worlds that I found were very incompatible, and there was not a lot of overlap between those two worlds. One was the business world, and the other was the spiritual world. And those two didn't really talk to each other. And the business people thought the spiritual people were a bunch of hippy dippy wackos, and the spiritual people thought the business people were a bunch of blood sucking vampires. And so
Yes.
there was not a lot
Good
of
picture.
and what I realized as I went down my own spiritual path was I wanted to sort of help build a bridge between those two different worlds and for there to be more overlap between them. I wanted to see a world with more spiritual CEOs. And so that's where I developed this idea or concept of being a karmapreneur. And so my thought was they were treating their employees well, they were treating their customers well, they were treating their vendors well. And so to me, a karmapreneur is someone they're doing good, but not from a place of like the only karmapreneurs are people who are working on the environment. No, that's not, my perspective. My perspective is, you could sell French fries, one of the companies that we invested in, and and still be a karmapreneur, again, if you're treating your people well, your customers well, your vendors well, you're doing the right thing, you're not cutting corners, you're not trying to screw anybody,